Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable cookies in Moodle. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Moodle site of your school. First of all, you need to know cookies are created to identify you when you visit a new website. So they help the website to remember information about your visit. So it makes it easier for you to visit the site again, because it will remember your login credentials and other information. So you can decide if you want to enable the cookies or not. If you want to enable the cookies, after you are in the website, you need to go to the settings of this browser. Here you can see the three lines icon, click on it. Now choose settings. On the search bar, click on it and type in cookies. Now if you scroll down, here you can see block cookies option. Right beside that, there is a drop down menu, click on it. From here you can choose if you want to block all cookies or allow it. So you can click on allow all cookies. The cookies are now enabled. So that's it. That's how you can enable cookies in your Moodle. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.